What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the show. I'm Spencer.
And I'm Christy.
And we are making our way to northern Utah, and it's kind of a long way from Arizona, so we like to break up long trips with stays at a program called Harvest Host.
So today we are at Rowley's Red Barn, which is a cool farm that has a ton of produce, not just what you would think about meats and dairy. We got so many cool items for today's cook.
Yep, and as you know, we love to support local. And today I'm making one of my favorite snacks for a good boost of energy. I'm making peanut butter energy toast.
So let's go fire up the Blackstone.
This meal was inspired by toast I had at a coffee shop in Branson, Missouri. And the idea was to source all our ingredients from Rowley's Red Barn, but I had to pick up bananas from elsewhere. Local bananas, not found in Utah. So the first thing I need to do is slice up my banana so that I can get it on the griddle. The next step is to get some butter on the griddle so we can roast our banana. Little fried banana chips.
You excited to try Daddy's peanut butter energy toast?
These aren't going to take too long, and this is a little bit of a tedious part. While our bananas are toasting up, I've got some Aspen Mills cinnamon chip bread that we are going to toast up on the griddle.
Can I just say cinnamon chip bread without raisins for the freaking win?
Let that one side toast up, and while that side is toasting, I'm going to butter up the other sides. Alright, the toast is done on one side. Oh, that looks beautiful. Alright, we've got some local Country Spoon peanut butter that we are going to spread on our toast, and this is fresh ground, like just from peanut butter. Doesn't get much fresher than this. We've got our toasted banana chips here. Ooh, look at that. Next ingredient, I'm going to use some sliced/chopped almonds to sprinkle on here. Give a little crunch, a little texture. On my piece, I'm going to call these optional, and I'm going to throw some chia seeds in there. I'm no nutritionist, but from what I understand, these are quite good for you. Christy doesn't like them, so I'll leave them off her piece. All right, we're gonna bring our toast over to the cutting board here. And I've got some of Nate's organic raw honey. Squeeze that over our toast for an extra bit of sweetness. And finally, a post dust with some ground cinnamon.
Oh my gosh, this looks delicious.
Cooking with local ingredients is my favorite. It is so tasty.
So good. Nice work.
So many layers of flavor. The toasted banana is fantastic.
I love the honey on the top too. This is super easy, nice and quick.
Oh yeah.
Perfect lunch, summer lunch for the kids.
Thank you guys for watching. We hope you try this one as much as you can. Try and use local ingredients, support local businesses. Make sure you check out blackstoneproducts.com for all things Blackstone. Subscribe and ring that bell on the YouTube channel so you don't miss any of the great videos from any of the great cooks.
Like Nate, Todd, CJ, Betty, Bruce, Matt, and us.
And until next time, guys, this is Destination Delicious, and we will see you down the road.